Hi, I'm Alex. This is my wife Elsie.
Hello.
And Lucas, our ID from Hue Concept.
Hi.
Sometime late last year, we actually got our key to our new apartment, and we were scouting around for interior design companies to actually do up our house. And I would say I consider myself lucky towards the tail end of our search for the ID companies. I actually had a little chat with my colleague in the office pantry, and she learned that I was actually looking for ID, and immediately she introduced Hue Concept to me. So when we met up in the Hue Concept office, basically we were quite surprised to actually see that, Lucas is such a young chap, but that didn't stop us from moving forward with him. And what we like about him is his pleasant disposition.
Thank you.
Yeah, he really, put us at ease. We feel very comfortable, speaking with him. And I also like, or rather, we also like his fresh ideas and his versatile in his designing. Yeah.
During their renovation period, it's actually in this industry we call it peak periods towards the end of the year. All the Christmas, Chinese New Year come in. So we are in a quite heavy schedule, but then LCA got a lot of brilliant ideas. So our planning somehow got interrupted because we changed of the design of the carpentry. But at some point, I told them we have to firm down our idea and move forward to what we planned so that we can get it done within the timeline.
When we sat down with Lucas, I actually didn't have a crystal clear idea, but what we have shared with him is simply we want a place that is vibrant, colorful, comfort, and homely feel. Yeah.
So when we are planning the color for the house, right, I should start with saying we are very connected throughout the process when we're discussing. So I kind of get what my client wants.
Well, I would say that I actually love every corner of my house. But if you want me to really choose a place, that corner that I really love, I guess I would say it's my changing room. A place where I would be there every day.
For me, my favorite part of the house is right here in the living room on my favorite couch, and then looking at the TV. That incorporates with the TV feature wall.
We like to watch different programs, so usually, when we get home, he'll be in the living room and I will move into the bedroom and watch my favorite TV program. Another area that I love most is actually my shoe cabinet. As you know, as a lady, we tend to have lots and lots of shoes and bags. So I actually shared with Lucas on that.
Advice for homeowners is firstly you should have some ideas what you want, and then do some research on the IDs. You can compare the ideas, the budget, and their work. Most importantly, I think you need to go to our ongoing projects to see their workmanship. I think that's very important. Overall, I would strongly recommend Lucas from Hue Concept. His team of workers are very professional and their workmanship is very good. I appreciate and I love my home very much. Kudos to you, Lucas.
Thank you.